bro. For my nigga Nate Dogg. Gotta pour up.
Fucking sauce in the
Gotta pour up.
I don't talk to my friend like that, bro. If you talk to my fucking friend, what the fuck do you have to say? He's mad. He's sick.
Sick. Got the flu, guys.
He has the flu. He probably got it from our fat panda friend.
Oh, fucking
Bitch.
always gets me sick. Get the ball, get the ball, get the ball, get the ball. Fuck that. Yeah, I think that nigga got me sick too. He always gets me sick. I'm fucking that.
Hey, what are you doing over there? Whoa, whoa. My homie's over there pouring out some Bombay off the balcony like a jackass.
What are you doing over there?
Oh, go record him. Go.
Wait,
Hold on. Excuse me. Hey, what's that, you little half black Filipino? Hold on, go back out there.
What the fuck you saying?
Get the fuck back out there. What the fuck? Did you pour that shit out for no fucking reason?
No, I poured it out for a good reason, bro.
What was the reason?
Nigga, Nate Dogg, bro.
Nate Dogg passed away.
Nigga, straight up.
Nate Dogg.
Regulated.
Nigga D turned off that. What's up, bitch? You little Tiger Woods looking motherfucker.
Tiger Woods. Hey, yesterday we were bumping the gang and Nate Dogg song.
I know, regulators. You got a freezer over here, man. What the fuck you got a freezer over here?
Nigga, we got Bombay, we got ice cream, we got cookies,
Corn dogs,
chocolate chip cookie dough, we got Rocky Road, we got
Hot Pockets,
fucking corn dogs, we got more ice cream, we got motherfucking
fucking Hawaiian Punch,
fucking buttermilk waffles, nigga. We
not
got
even trip. Hot Pockets and shit.
we got
Meat for days, high Hawaiian Punch, big sticks. Oh, what the fuck is that? What do you know?
You gotta have the Rays and the sweet Bobby. Where the Bobby Rays at?
Niggas baby Rays, bitch.
Baby Rays. Sweet baby Rays, nigga.
Yeah.
Sweet and weak, Sweet baby Rays.
Now, all in it.
You go all the way back.
We got the necessities. Bacon, eggs, and milk. That's all you need.
That's enough.